Vande Mataram, children. In science, chapter 16, that is water, a precious resource, we have understood two main topics, that is how much water is available and forms of water. Today we are going to continue with the next topic, that is groundwater as an important source of water. So children, let's start with the groundwater. The groundwater has a large storage of water inside it, and it is the main source of water. Deeper and deeper below the earth, we will reach a level where all the space between particles of soil and gaps between rocks are filled with water, and we can feel that the soil is moist enough. Now, the upper limit of layer is called the water level. You can see this with the help of image that I am going to show you after this. The water table varies from place to place. It may even change at a given place. Water table may be at a depth of less than several meters below the ground, or it can be much deeper than also. So it varies from place to place, children. The process of seeping of rainwater. This is now another terminology for you to understand. That is infiltration. What do you mean by infiltration? Means the process of seeping of rainwater and water from other sources into the ground. Seeping मतलब पानी अंदर जाना in the soil is called infiltration. The rainwater and water from rivers, ponds seep through the soil and fill the gaps between particles of soil and rocks. Now children, below the water table, the groundwater stored between layers of rocks is called as aquifer. Now let me show you another image for it. This is the image where you can very well understand groundwater and the water table. See children, after the understanding of water cycle, here you can understand that this is the water table. After precipitation, means it after raining, the water seeps inside the soil. That process is called infiltration, and here the upper layer where you get the water is called water table. Now below the water table there is a aquifer. You can understand here very well. So here you can understand that aquifer, water table and groundwater. What is the difference between water table? Water can be taken with the hand pump. This is hand pump, or either you can dig a boring or a tube well. So children, you can just say me, you must have visited some of the construction sites. तो construction sites मतलब जहाँ पे construction होता है और वहाँ पे ज़्यादा water availability होना चाहिए, because they do the construction and they need more water. So how do we get there? They get the water. They may either dig the boring or they can get it from the hand pump. Okay. And sometime if you visit it, you inquire from the people working there how deep they have to dig for it. So you will get a different answer for different places. So children, thank you for the day.